everyone! In this video I will show you how to make a gift in just 20 minutes. These are Oreo-based marshmallow cookies shaped like cherry blossoms, the perfect gift idea. You will need pink gel food coloring, spray-type dry food coloring, Oreo cookies. I am using 2 sizes, small and large, piping bags with nozzles, numbers listed in the video description below, and a nail tool for precision, though optional. I will leave a link to how to make marshmallow in the description below. You can also check out my previous video on this. I added a drop of pink food coloring to the marshmallow mixture. On the Oreo cookies, I create petals as shown in the video. Then I color them using spray food coloring. I think this is a truly unique spring gift for cherry blossom season. It takes just 20 minutes, the marshmallow cooks for 6 minutes, and piping takes 15 minutes. I am sure anyone can make this. Wishing you all a wonderful spring mood. May everything work out for you. Good luck with your cooking. See you next time, dear friends.